Well, that's a real eye-opener. Who would have thought that mud in Pakistan could be used as a repair tool? This differential gear in front of me is clearly broken. It said the owner's severe overloading put a weight on the gear it simply couldn't handle, which caused it to break down. Back home, no one would fix this. It would just be treated as scrap. But in Pakistan, things are different. For 2,000 rupees, the Pakistani craftsman can easily handle it. The craftsman calmly takes out a lump of mud and begins to knead it carefully. This isn't the mud we played with as kids, but special Pakistani mud chosen by a craftsman. This mud has astonishing adhesion, easily sticks to surfaces, can be shaped as needed, and doesn't crack easily, making it the best choice for creating molds. The craftsman takes aluminum blocks, the raw material for the mold. With an oxyacetylene torch, he melts them into liquid. The craftsman then slowly pours the molten aluminum, filling every gap in the mold. After about 10 minutes, the molten aluminum solidifies enough for demolding. After demolding, we see a model that perfectly fits the gear. We'll use this model to measure the repaired gear. After confirming the correct dimensions, we can start the build-up welding. The craftsman precisely controls the welding rod's force and angle, skillfully stacking each layer of weld material together. Sparks fly during welding, and the molten metal sizzles, instantly heating the metal to a high temperature. After each welding layer, the craftsman pauses to gently tap away the slag with a small hammer. Slag cracks off the metal, revealing a smooth, new weld. This process requires great patience and exquisite skill. The craftsman must ensure each weld is solid, so the repaired gears operate normally. After the build-up welding, the gear teeth surface is still rough and uneven. The craftsman then moves the gear to the lathe to begin precision machining. The lathe starts with a soft, gentle hum. The craftsman slowly guides the cutter to the gear teeth. As it cuts, sparks fly, a beautiful mechanical dance. With steady, precise technique, he adjusts the tool's position and depth for the gear teeth, ensuring each cut is perfect. The protrusions are slowly shaved away, leaving the gear's outer edge smooth. Due to the lack of a machining center, the face of the gear teeth cannot be processed on the lathe. The craftsman polishes each tooth face with an angle grinder to achieve the desired contour. This process demands great patience and highly refines. The craftsman guides the grinding wheel across the tooth's surface, carefully removing imperfections until the contour is smooth and uniform. With the grinding nearly finished, the craftsman readies for the final fine polishing. He takes out the previously made mold and fits it onto the gear. The mold provides a precise reference for the gear teeth shape and size, ensuring they meet standards. The craftsman carefully checks each tooth, ensuring a perfect mold fit. Once each tooth's quality is confirmed, he switches to a fine grinding wheel for the final grinding and polishing. As the fine wheel spins, its sand particles slowly grind away imperfections, leaving the tooth mirror smooth. After polishing, the gear teeth now show no signs of repair. To ensure everything is perfect, the craftsman needs to use the mold to check it again. Once the inspection confirms everything's good, this repair is complete. Out of 10, what would you rate this Pakistani craftsman?